Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly if you are new here, and again welcome. In today's video we will be headed to Aldi's. We are actually sitting in the parking lot. Let me make sure we have our quarter. I usually have it on my keychain, but of course I don't have those keys with me. I know I just got some change. But we are headed into Aldi's to just restock on some pantry items, like we need granola and stuff. So we really mainly need just fridge items. We need orange juice, more either oat milk or almond milk, eggs, like stuff like that. So we're not doing a full grocery haul today, but it's just a few things that we need to stock up on, like french fries and stuff like that. We have our quarter, so we're gonna go ahead and get our cart and go ahead and get this over and done with. Now this is a more busier location, but it is better in terms of selection, so I chose to come to this one. So I'm not sure exactly how much filming we're actually going to be able to do in there, because when I say this is a busier location, this is a busier location. So let's go ahead and get this over and done with, and yeah. culture. Great selection of meats and cheeses. Okay, on to dairy section. We need mozzarella or an Italian style right here. And we need a sharp cheddar. We're going to get deli slice. This is the cheapest I've seen. French fries. So we're gonna get these egg fries. Vegetables is only $1.09 or 95 cents here. I think the only vegetables I need more of is broccoli and corn. They have frozen sushi. I'm not sure how good it would taste, but for $4.99, you might want to try it. They have the crustless peanut butter and jelly. So we'll try this time. Last thing we need is sausage patties, and we are done. Let's go look down the aisle. Hold on, detour. Never mind, false alarm. Okay, let's look at this aisle. Wine rack, $14.99. So I picked up everything that I needed from Aldi's. Today we spent $179.06. I was able to find everything that I was looking for, and I do have to go back and get extra virgin olive oil because I forgot to pick that up. But we will go ahead and jump into the haul so I can show you everything that I got today. All right, starting over here, we have free range large brown eggs, a kombucha, 2 things of orange juice, the guava mango. My kids really love this. An orange mango, orange peach mango, and then a thing of oat milk, French onion dip. We have sour cream, and then down there is vanilla yogurt. The only meat products we picked up this time was a pack of pork chops, 2 things of sausage. We got 2 cans of the maple cured bacon baked beans, 2 packs of the Hawaiian rolls, a thing of white rounds tortilla chips, some two of the 4 packs of pineapples, brown sugar and cinnamon Pop-Tarts, sliced cheese. We got provolone and also the sharp cheddar, and then we were out of ham, so I just picked up more of the honey uncured ham. We needed Italian style shredded cheese, sharp, and also taco. I did pick up more of these packs of flatbreads. It is 2 in the pack, and this is the Stone Oven Baked Artisan flatbread. Now my kids they enjoyed the last time we made flatbread pizzas, and that's also something that they can make for lunch without my assistance. We got 2 packs of the English muffins for breakfast sandwiches, 2 packs of granola. I did pick up the oats and honey, and also the oats, honey, raisin, and almonds. 2 things of the mini muffins. I picked up the confetti cake and also blueberry. A large container of lemon juice. Up here, the turkey. Now picked up 3 packs of the sausage. This is the turkey. I normally don't see turkey there, but I picked this one up because my husband prefers turkey sausage over pork and beef, so I picked that up. The crustless peanut butter and grape jelly sandwiches, so these are similar to the Uncrustables. I'll try these out. That's why I only picked up 1 because I don't know if they'll eat them or not. Up here we have a crispy chicken strips, a thing of the pancake and sausage on a stick, a thing of the pork sausage patty. Now these are fully cooked. 2 things of steak fries. Y'all, the price of frozen like French fries is absolutely ridiculous. So I found them for fairly cheap at Aldi, so I picked up 2. Back here we have some potatoes, and then for the rest of the produce I did pick up a bag of romaine hearts, a thing of spinach, bananas, and strawberries, a head of cabbage, and a bag of lemons. For vegetables this time, in terms of frozen ones, I only picked up corn, broccoli, and green beans. And then I picked up 2 more of these packs of the Pillsbury pumpkin sugar cookies. So this is everything that I picked up this go round, and this is what $179 worth of grocery looks like. Well, I am absolutely hungry, so I'm going to go ahead and make me something for lunch, get all these groceries put up, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video.